So guys, this is our WTI crude oil. Once again, if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Also comment if you want. Now take a look at this WTI crude oil, right? We once predicted this move, and after this move, we also talked about a pullback will be occurring. And guess what? This is exactly what we had. We actually had a pullback on this WTI crude oil. Now once again, I would, for those who are new and everything, would want to analyze this price. Would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 29th of September. To be able to predict this movement properly on this WTI crude oil, we would have to go to our weekly time frame. I think weekly time frame would be the time frame to actually predict this move. So I mean, if you were to sit on this WTI crude oil early 2020, we've actually been going bullish. I mean, price has actually been rallying up, right? We saw the price was once above this 10-period moving average. This is a 10-period moving average I fixed here. Price was once above it. So all of a sudden, the price started dropping to the extent it broke below 10-period moving average. After that, it is still below 10-period moving average since then. So we all know the price. Once we see downward trend and we also see price below 10-period moving average, we are to short. So basically, on the WTI crude oil, we have to short it. But now take a look at this. On this short level, we can see this impulse move, right? We can see a correction that was made. If you watch this movement again, you see this impulse move, you see this correction, then another impulse move was made, which actually broke the previous lows. Then we had a correction that was made here. So a correction was made. Now another impulse move have been made. So of course, what are we going to be expecting? Of course, a correction. We all know that correction. So that correction we are expecting on WTI crude oil will be a bullish move. So WTI crude oil, we are expecting a correction, and that correction will be a bullish move. So we would want to see that correction to a level of 85. This is, we are currently trading at the WTI crude oil. We are currently trading at 81, right? 81.76. So it depends on where you are watching it, guys. So we would want to see that correction to at least a level of 85.14. So guys, correction on weekly time frame will be a bullish move to 85. Now let's go down to this daily time frame. Now let's take a look at this daily time frame, right? Let's see price. Actually would want to see, you see this price, actually drop, right? Then a pullback occurred there. So we saw this another drop. Now we've seen this pullback, right? This pullback have come to this previous pullback level here. We had a pullback at this level here. So guys, we would still actually go bullish again to at least take out this level. At this level, this is the level of 86, right? If you have to zoom it out, this is a level of 86, and after 86 we'll be getting a 85. But let's just try and let us just a day on a daily time frame, would want to see it as 86, close to 85. So we would want to see this price break above this level here. Once the price break above this level, next level we are aiming for, or we are aiming to, is this level of 86, close to 85. Now the reason why I said that is that take a look at this USD index. So this is our USD index. Now we've been going bullish. A quick analysis on the USD index, by the way. This was an impulse move we had on USD index. A correction was made. We had another impulse move. Then we had a correction on USD index. Now this huge impulse move has been made. Of course, after this impulse move, we would be expecting a correction, which will be a pullback level. So once we are having a bearish move on USD index, then definitely we will be seeing a bullish move on WTI crude oil. Now take a look at this index, by the way. So I mean, the first 2 days we can see this huge candlestick wake here, which price actually closed bearish, right? The first one, price closed bearish. Now take a look at the second candle here. We can see it was a bearish move. So by these two candles here, we actually closed bearish. It was then this WTI crude oil closed bullish. So on this USD index, we are still expecting a drop, right? So as we are expecting a drop on USD index, then definitely we should be seeing a rally movement on WTI crude oil. Like I said again, we should be seeing a pullback, a rally movement upward on WTI crude oil to a level of 85. This is the 85 we are seeing here. This is the 85 that we are seeing here, guys. So I mean, we saw this price reacted to this level, close to this level here. Price also came to react at this level. Then there was a pullback at this level here, right? So once price broke below it, we saw it react a little bit at this level. So we would want to see this price actually roll up to a level of 85 we just talked about. So 85 should be the level we will be seeing this WTI crude oil after correction to